You don't want to fight, you just want to be your child's parent. If you're involved in a custody dispute, there's a good chance you never wanted to be here in the first place. You didn't want to wake up one morning hoping to spend your time reading court documents, responding to accusations, or worrying about your next hearing. You just want to be your child's parent. That's what so many parents tell me when they come into my office, and I understand that. They aren't looking for revenge. They aren't trying to win against the other parent. They simply want the opportunity to be present in their child's life without every decision turning into another battle with the other parent. Unfortunately, custody cases have a way of pulling people into conflict, and before long, every text message feels like an argument, and every schedule change becomes a disagreement. When that happens, it's easy to lose sight of why you're there in the first place. The court isn't looking for the parent who can argue the longest or speak the loudest. The court is looking for information that helps determine what's in the child's best interest. That means your actions matter just as much as your words. When you communicate, keep your focus on your child instead of attacking the other parent. When problems arise, document them carefully instead of reacting emotionally. When you disagree, ask yourself whether your response is helping your child or simply responding to your frustration. I know that's easier said than done. It's incredibly difficult to stay composed when you feel unheard, disrespected, or pushed aside. But the parents who often put themselves in the strongest position are the ones who never lose sight of the reason they're fighting. They're not fighting to punish the other parent. They're fighting to remain active, healthy, dependable, and be present in their child's life. If that describes you, don't lose heart. There's a way to do this. The legal process can feel overwhelming, but don't let the conflict change who you are as a parent. That's your number one role. Continue showing up for your child. Continue putting your child's needs first. Continue to make decisions that you'll be proud to explain in court if you ever have to, that you did them for a good, rational, reasonable purpose. Of course, at the end of the day, most parents don't come into my office because they want another fight. They come in because they love their child and they don't want to lose precious time with their child. Now, if that's your goal, make sure every decision you make helps tell that story.